This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series, episode 5, part 1. In this series, we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affair. So I am sure whether you appear for CSS or PMS or any other job exam, this series will help you score maximum marks in Pakistan Affair. So in this video, we will cover the MCQs about the advent of Europeans in Indian subcontinent. So in this video we will cover 40 MCQs, so stay tuned with this channel because we will cover maximum maximum syllabus in this place. And in the end of this video I will put some questions, so make sure you answer those questions to check your progress. So let's begin. First MCQ is: a direct contact between the Indo-Pakistan subcontinent and the Europe was established. Options are 1448, 1449, 1498, 1598. So the right option here is 1498. In 1498, a direct contact between the Indo-Pakistan subcontinent and the European was established. Guys, I am repeating each MCQ because I just want that you learn these MCQs all at once, so you will not need to repeat it again and again. So I hope you understand this point. Second MCQ is: who challenged the monopoly of Portuguese in the East? Options are Danish, Europeans, Dutch or French. So third is the right option here, Dutch. Dutch challenged the monopoly of the Portuguese in the East. Third MCQ is: Danish traders set up factories at Tranquebar in which year? Options are 1618, 1616, 1619, 1620. So the right option here is 1620. In 1620, Danish traders set up the factories at Tranquebar. Fourth MCQ is: when Danish traders sold their factories of Indo-Pakistan to Britishers? So the options are 1843, 1845, 1844, 1846. So the right option here is 1845. In 1845, Danish traders sold their factories of Indo-Pak to Britishers. When Shuja-ud-Dowla became the Nawab of Bengal? Options are 1627, 1629, 1626, 1630. So the right option here is 1627. In 1627, Shuja-ud-Dowla became the Nawab of Bengal. When Sarfaraz Khan became the Nawab of Bengal? So the options are 1737, 1738, 1739, 1740. So the right option here is 1739. So Sarfaraz Khan became the Nawab of Bengal in 1739. I think these MCQs will also help those students who have opted Indo-Pakistan in CSS, or I don't know if this subject is in PMS as well, but I know it exists in CSS. So this MCQ series will also help them as well because this is the historic part of Pakistan Affairs syllabus. So it is beneficial for both the students of Pakistan Affair as well as of Indo-Pakistan history. Seventh MCQ is: Mir Jafar was commanding the army of. Options are Shujauddin, Sirajuddin, Akmaluddin, Ahsanuddin. So the right option here is Sirajuddin. Mir Jafar was commanding the army of Sirajuddin. Mir Qasim was defeated by English in which year? Options are 1764, 1760, 1765, 1763. So the right option here is 1764. In 1764, Mir Qasim was defeated by the English. When Hyder Ali born? Options are 1725, 1729, 1727, 1721. So the right option here is 1727. In 1727, Hyder Ali was born. Famous battle of Jallianwala Bagh was fought during. Options are Second Sikh War, Third Sikh War, Fourth Sikh War, Fifth Sikh War. So the right option here is Second Sikh War. The famous battle of Jallianwala Bagh was fought during the Second Sikh War. 11th MCQ is: who was the eldest son of Ranjit Singh? See options are Daler Singh, Karak Singh, Kabir Singh, Abir Singh. So the right option here is Kharak Singh. Kharak Singh was the eldest son of Ranjit Singh. 12th MCQ is, who succeeded Ranjit Singh? Options are Kharak Singh, Sukhbir Singh, Rana Singh, Daler Singh. So the right option here is Kharak Singh. Kharak Singh succeeded the Ranjit Singh. 13th MCQ is, the Peshwa dynasty of Marathas was founded by. Options are Vishwanath, Bale Vishwanath, Bey Vishwanath, Narayan Vishwanath. So the right option here is Bale Vishwanath. So the Peshwa dynasty of Marathas was founded by Bale Vishwanath. When Tipu Sultan ascended the throne of Mysore? Options are 1782, 1781, 1784, 1780. So the right option here is 1782. In 1782, Tipu Sultan ascended the throne of Mysore. When Warren Hastings was appointed as the Governor General of India? Options are 1721, 1722, 1720, 1726. So the right option here is 1722. In 1722, Warren Hastings was appointed as the Governor General of India. Warren Hastings remained the Governor General of India till which year? Options are 1785, 1783, 1784, 1787. So the right option here is 1785. Till 1785, Warren Hastings has remained the Governor General of India. 1875 is the right option. First Anglo-Maratha War was started in which year? Okay, options are 18th May 1775, 19th May 1775, 20th May 1775, 21st May 1775. So the right option here is on 18th May 1775, First Anglo-Maratha War was started. Who was the first Governor General of Indo-Pakistan? See, the options are Lord Mike, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Warren Hastings, Lord Mayo. So I think you can guess this answer. So Lord Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of Indo-Pak. Lord Minto was succeeded by Lord who? Options are Morley, Hastings, Maurya, Weaver. So the right option here is Maurya. Lord Minto was succeeded by Lord Maurya. The first Sikh war was fought between Sikh and whom? Options are British, Dutch, French, Muslims. So the right option here is British. The first Sikh war was fought between Sikh and British. It is called Anglo-Sikh War. Who consolidated Sikh power in Punjab? Options are Abir Singh, Ranjit Singh, Daler Singh, Hiran Singh. So the right option here is Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh consolidated the Sikh power in Punjab. Ranjit Singh ruled Punjab with his capital at. Options are Delhi, Karachi, Lahore, Texla. So the right option here is Lahore. Ranjit Singh ruled Punjab with the capital Lahore. Syed Ahmad Shaheed was the founder of movement. Options are Jihad, War, Muslim, Jazba. I think this is very easy MCQs. So Syed Ahmad Shaheed was the founder of Jihad movement. In which year the Educational Institute of Delhi was set up? Options are 1863, 1860, 1861, 1862. So the right option here is 1860. In 1860, the Educational Institute of Delhi was set up. 1860 is the right option. Real name of Tipu Mir was, options are Sayyid Mir Nasir Ali, Sayyid Mir Yasir Ali, Sayyid Mir Abbas Ali, Sayyid Mir Ashar Ali. So the right option here is Sayyid Mir Nasir Ali. The real name of Tipu Mir was Sayyid Mir Nasir Ali. Farazi movement started in, options are Britain, Bengal, America, Turkey. So the right option here is Bengal. Farazi movement was started in Bengal. Haji Shariatullah started a movement. Options are Jihad, Alam, Farazi, Nijad. So the right option here is Farazi. Haji Shariatullah started the movement of Farazi. British captured Punjab in 1849 after defeating, options are Sikh, Hindus, Muslims, British. So the right option here is Sikh. British captured Punjab in 1849 after defeating Sikhs. Okay, 29th MCQ is the state of Oudh was annexed to the British Empire in which year? Options are 1858, 1854, 1856, 1858 or 1860. So the right option here is 1856. In 1856, the state of Oudh was annexed to the British Empire. 1856 is the right option here. So 30th MCQ is Act which allowed the Indians to compete for civil service jobs was Charter Act of 1833, Charter Act of 1830, Charter Act of 1837, Charter Act of 1836. So the right option here is Charter Act of 1833. So the Charter Act of 1833 allowed the Indians to compete for civil service jobs. Punjab province was annexed to British in which year? Options are 1848, 1849, 1858, 1850. So the right option here is 1849. In 1849, Punjab province was annexed to British India. Who was the last Governor General of Indo-Pak under the East India Company? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Dunning, Lord Canning, Lord Mayo. So the right option here is Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the last Governor General of Indo-Pak under the East India Company. The direct contact between the Indo-Pak subcontinent and the Europe was established in which year? I think this is repeated MCQs, but the options are 1948, 1949, 1498 and 1598. So the right option here is 1498. 1498 was the year when there was a direct contact between Indo-Pak subcontinent and the Europe. Who challenged the monopoly of Portuguese in the East? Options are Danish, Europeans, Dutch and French. The right option here is Dutch. Dutch challenged the monopoly of Portuguese in the East. Danish established factories at Tranquebar in which year? Options are 1617, 1618, 1619, 1620. So right option here is 1620. In 1620, Danish established the factories at Tranquebar when Danish sold their factories of Indo-Pak to British. This is again repeated MCQ. Okay. Options are 1844, 1845, 1840, 1847. So in 1845, Danish sold their factories of Indo-Pak to British. 1845 is the right option. When Shuja ud-Dola became the Nawab of Bengal? Options are 1627, 1629, 1666, 1630. So the right option here is 1627. In 1627, Shuja ud-Dola became the Nawab of Bengal. When Sarfaraz Khan became the Nawab of Bengal? Okay, options are 1737, 1738, 1739, 1740. So the right option here is 1739. In 1739, Sarfaraz Khan became the Nawab of Bengal. Nawab Shuja ud-Dola was son of, options are Nawab Akil Vardi, Nawab Ali Ahmad, Nawab Atiq Vardi, Nawab Shiraz Vardi. So the right option here is Nawab Atiq Vardi. So Shuja ud-Dola was the son of Nawab Atiq Vardi. This is 40th MCQs and I guess the last one. Mir Jafar was commanding the army of, option are Shujauddin, Sirajuddin, Akmaluddin, Ahsanuddin. So the right option here is Sirajuddin. Mir Jafar was commanding the army of Sirajuddin. Okay guys, I think we have finished here. Thank you so much. So stay tuned with this channel and give your remarks in the comment section. Thank you so much.